basic digital waveform, which is a square wave with a period of 2 seconds. These square waves alternate between 1 volt and negative 1 volt. So, ang representation sa Fourier series, ano 1 o negative 1? Ano ba to? So, for 1, so 0 is less than t is less than or equal t, t is less than 1. So, sa negative 1, 1 is less than t, t ay less than 2. So, muna ang Fourier series representation niya. So, sa Fourier series of a periodic function, nasa yung formula na f of t is equals to a sub 0 plus the summation of positive infinity n is equals to 1. So, a sub n cos times 2 pi n t over t plus b sub n sin 2 pi n t over t. So, sa kaning equation, na sila ay mahimong tulong ka coefficients, which is ang a sub 0, a sub n, o b sub n. So, ato isong ang each coefficients. So, sa a sub 0, na siya coefficient ng equation na equals to 1 over t, the integral of 0 to t, f of t dt. So, sa a sub n, na siya coefficient na value equals to 1 over 1, or 1, or 0, the integral of 0 to 2, f of t cos times pi n t dt. So, sa b sub n po yung coefficient, na siya 2 over 2. So, integral of 0 to 1 sin pi n t dt plus integral of 1 to 2 negative sin times pi n t dt. So, solving each coefficients, ato na silang solve isa-isa. So, sa a sub 0, mayroon na siyang 1 over 2 times the integral of 0 to 1, 1 dt plus integral of 0 to 2, negative 1 dt. Okay. Sa paano niya siya? Sa given nga value nga 1 volt at negative 1 volt. So, ang result, a to 0 equals to 1 half, 1 minus 1, so equals to 0 ang iyang value. So, for a sub n, yung coefficient, ay siyang the integral of 0 to 1 cos pi n t dt plus integral of 1 to 2 negative cos pi n t dt. So, dapat lang i-cancel kay unlike sign man sila. So, 0 lang 1 sa cos sa a sub n nga coefficient. For b sub n, siya ay 2 over 2. So, integral of 0 to 1 sin pi n t dt plus the integral of 1 to 2 negative sin pi n t dt. So, ato lang isiyang i-transform natin b sub n is equals to 1 over pi n times 2 cos pi n negative 2. Kung add ang n, mali ang result. Kung even ang n, aning equation, ang result is 0. So, therefore, sa ang atong Fourier series nga representation kani equals to f of t is equals to the summation of infinity n equals to 1. Okay. And 4 over pi n sin pi n t. So, solving the Fourier transform ang function at ay formula nga g of f is equals to the integral of negative infinity to positive infinity g t times e raised to the power of negative I 2 pi f t dt. 1 half to 1 half e raised to the negative I to pi of t dt. So, integrating e negative I to pi of t over ang exponent negative I to pi of t o ang iyang points. So, integrating 1 goes to negative I to pi f times e to the negative I f pi f minus e to the positive I pi f. So, simplifying mo yun, muna ang result ay f sine pi f over pi f. So, therefore, the Fourier transform of gt is g of f sine c of f, which is ang value sa c of f is kani